Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chia seed pudding. Normally I take about 4 spoons of chia. Chia seeds are an amazing source of protein, fatty acids and fiber. Especially for vegetarians, it is an amazing source of energy. Really love it. The main thing you have to remember in this recipe, you have to put 4 times as much milk as you put chia. That's the only rule. I'm using pea milk today and it's not what you think, but you can use any plant-based milk. That will be around 4 times as much. After we mix chia and plant-based milk, we add any superfoods we'd like. I normally like to add some almonds or cashew, goji berries. A really great source of vitamin C, really good for your eyes, for heart. I can talk forever about goji berries. Mulberries are an amazing antioxidant source of vitamin K, iron, vitamin C. I wanted to tell you a couple words about cocoa nibs. When you eat chocolate from the store, it is processed 100 times, but this one is raw, just from the tree. I mixed everything together one more time. And normally I put it to the fridge overnight. Okay, our chia seed pudding is ready and I'm about to try it. Chia seed pudding is one of the reasons why breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. So good. Cheers.